Good evening, Fred. Mind if I bunk here for the night? I have to take a train to the abandoned slate quarry. Quite gracious of you, thank you. Egag! The ice is breaking! Help! Fred! Don't come any closer. You'll break the ice! Fred! You saved me! Oh, my dear companion, you may have a lack of effort to work, but you've gotten a heart for the others. That's good enough for me. And Fred. Sure, why not? Warm eyes. The lake! The ice is gonna visit the mountain! Come on, crew! Bertram, we're coming! What can we do? Bertram will break through if nothing's done! Bertram, are you alright? I just had to know. I'm not a big fan of working, but I can't risk seeing my friends in trouble because of me.